Hello people and welcome back to AllContent channel, a channel that features only the craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. Today's episode is packed with all sorts of crazy road encounters and hopefully you'll enjoy watching this one. So without any further ado, let's get this episode started.
She was able to get, wow.
In this situation, a camera caught a crash aftermath on his dashcam. A van driver was flipped on its side and the damage done to the vehicles was enormous. Let's just hope that the participants in this accident were not injured. In this video, we will see how a reckless driver made a left turn and took the cameras right away. Unfortunately, he caused an accident as well. Pay attention at the two drivers in front of the camera. They switched sides all of a sudden and way too dangerously. Camera caught a crazy driver speeding on the road. Remember that speeding will only get you in trouble and nothing good can come out of it. This video is a proof of that. Always avoid speeding.
Oh, shoot! Oh my God!
In this video, you will see what can happen if you cut across the entire road without checking your mirrors. Moves like this are mind-blowing, especially if you're doing it on a busy road. Camera honked at the rude driver because he was on his phone while driving, and of course, he didn't take it quite well. Believe it or not, but the text and drive driver made a full turn, and this is what happened when they came face to face.
Whoa, dude. Hi. Problem. Come on, dude. Just move. Damn, dude.
Driver that was behind the camera forgot that the speed limit is 45 here. He didn't have the patience to be a part of a normal traffic flow, so he passed the camera on the shoulder.
It's 45, dumbass. RHT, what was that? Literally.
Driver in a white Ford ran a red light in front of an unmarked police vehicle, and let's just say that he got a heavy dose of karma. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on QcBrownhunter channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this one as well. Make sure to write me your opinion down in the comments about this episode. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like. Until the next one, drive safe.